I'm going to be myself in this workshop because I want you to be yourself too. Are you honest with your kids? Are they honest with you? How about your parents? You might know what respect looks like for you, but have they ever been able to communicate that? Have you ever been able to communicate that without screaming at the top of your lungs? If you answered to any of those questions, then I think we should talk about it. I am going to be co-hosting the Raising Free People workshop along with my mother. In these live sessions, the time that we have together, let's talk. As honestly as you would, or honestly as you want to, with your kids and your parents. Let's talk about mutual respect, managing moods, your weird feelings, all of that. I want to hear it, and I want to be there to give my honest advice, feedbacks, stories, because I love telling stories, and all the other things that come with being in partnership with someone. Truly, I will see you in the workshop.
Raising Free People Workshop 2019. I'm doing it a little bit differently this year. This year I am including Marley in the mix because Marley and I have been working together quite a bit. You might have been to one of our public workshops or talks, and that has brought up a whole lot of ladder, right? Living together, being together, mothering and daughtering together is one thing, working together is another. But it's actually given us the privilege of understanding each other a little bit better. And it's helped me to really deal with some of my own issues around what it means to be respected as an adult, what it means to be a mother who is in partnership with her child and not dominating that child. If I can't say fix your face, right? If I choose not to say that because I know the connotations of that, I know the results of that. If I'm not saying fix your face, if I'm not trying to control how she feels and how she shows up, how do we work together? How do we be ourselves together? Those are the sort of things that we're going to make room to discuss and give you some of the ideas and strategies that we've used. Some of them have come from our own experiences. Others have come from material that we've been exposed to. We want to talk about all of that. Real honest, real straightforward. So join us in Raising Free People Workshop 2019, and let's get to what it means to be in partnership with each other as adults and children.
If you or someone you know has been affected by oppressive tendencies for raising children, then you may be entitled to paying money for this course.